You came to lift the broken. You came to heal the heart. You came to bring freedom and give a brand new start. You opened up the prison